Alright, let's sit down for a chat about monitoring Windows Server IaaS VMs and hybrid instances on Microsoft Azure. Alright. Azure has revolutionized the way we handle cloud resources, making them not just flexible but also reliable, but with great power comes great responsibility. As you know, monitoring is key, and I'll walk you through the nitty-gritty to keep your servers humming along efficiently like the well-oiled machines they're meant to be. And hey, why go through it alone? Join TechLab, head over to neeraj.qzz.io, and let's make Azure our second home. Now, Azure provides a bevy of tools to help us monitor and manage our virtual machines, and I'm here to simplify it all for you. Imagine this, a bustling online storefront with countless transactions, customers flooding in, and your server keeping it all ticking along perfectly. Pretty smooth, right? It's this same level of robustness Azure delivers for your server setup through Windows Server IaaS VMs and hybrid instances. So, to kick things off with monitoring, we've got to dive into Azure Monitor and its built-in capabilities for everything from basic health checks to advanced performance metrics collection. It's pretty comprehensive. You are not just throwing dashboards together here. We'll get hands-on with Azure Monitor's performance metrics to tailor monitoring just the way we roll. Now, I hear configuration a lot, but it's not this overly techy process we're used to. Nope, we'd be walking right through it step by step. You'll find it kinda similar to setting up a stage for your server to do its best at all the configurations like setting performance counters, logs, and alerts tailored to what we know your business actually needs. You'll be looking at setting up a custom health check that's more like a personalized fingerprint, making sure to pin down exactly what signals you need to keep an eye on. I'm not just talking logs and alerts, deep diving into the abyss of advanced troubleshooting. Azure's got a slew of troubleshooters, but I'll guide you to find the hidden gems like Azure Operational Health in the diagnostic tools. These are like the Sherlocks of the server world, dissecting the evidence and getting to the root of any issues, so we know what's up without a sweat. Azure activity logs come into play here. It's like reading the diary of your server's day-to-day performance and hiccups. Now, enterprise-level strategizing isn't something you forget, right? Best practices galore, like security first, where we never go half-baked with our security patches, because guess what? A secure server runs fast and reliably. Assign roles and responsibilities carefully. It's not just about permissions, it's about cultivating a symbiotic relationship within your team, ensuring Azure resources are tended with precision. Automated backups and disaster recovery. It's not just about keeping things running, it's about making them run better even when they're down, and doing so seamlessly. Almost to the finish line, take a deep breath. This concludes our journey into monitoring Windows Server IaaS VMs and hybrid instances in Azure. I trust that together, we've elevated your server monitoring to an art form, ensuring your Azure resources stand tall, resembling the most majestic of guardians in your IT forest. And there's no need to stray far from Azure's comforting embrace. Head over to neeraj.qzz.io. You'll find TechLab, where we chat tech, help each other out, and keep this conversation going forever. Make sure to subscribe, and let's stay plugged into the tech world together, ensuring Azure's magic powers through your enterprise.